Today we talk about how can you enable dark mode on your cheat app. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to next appear. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just click on settings here. When you just click on settings, so then automatically it's going to take you to this list. Come here to light mode, then you click in this sign. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here automatically dark mode it's going to enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.